Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can use your phone as Ethernet cable for internet such as Wi-Fi. So first before you start make sure a USB is properly plugged in your computer, then connected to your computer, and as we all know, when a phone is connected to a computer through USB, it suddenly appears on this library, right here. So to make things more clear, I'm going to display what's on my screen right here. So first let me connect my USB on it, and now as you can see my phone's name is displaying on the library, so as you can see nothing has changed on our Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is go on your phone, then slide down on the USB functions and click on it. So as you can see we have so many options to choose from. So go on USB tethering, and now if you check on our connections you will see that a new connection has been detected, so you will get this notification. As you can see it's a permission request for Ethernet connection, so simply click on yes, and as you can see we finally connected to a Wi-Fi. You can even try open a browser. And you will see for yourself that our connections has been set. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.